Please, can anyone give us the slope of the line through AB?
Would it be like the one we did before? So would it be x?
We have to start with y. It's the rise over run.
Okay.
Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's all the same. It's always rise over run.
F of x plus h.
Very good. Awesome.
Minus f of x.
Excellent.
And x plus h minus x.
That's it. This is the difference quotient. Of course, we have to simplify these two. So this is the formula. Mandatory to remember this, please. So the difference quotient is the slope of this line passing through 2 points that are very, very close to each other. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So we have to determine and simplify the difference quotient for many functions. So let's try. I'm going to pick one and then you pick the other, or other problems. 77 on 254. We're given the function x squared minus 4x plus 3. When it comes to the difference quotient, please pay attention. I'm going to write two notes. Two notes that go mandatory with the difference quotient. We'll get to that in a moment. So, what is the question here? They're giving us this function. And they say, find the difference quotient and fully simplify it. Find the difference quotient and fully simplify it for this function. I'm going to first copy the difference quotient. So I know that I have to look at this. F of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. And like always, I'm going to say, okay, let me see what I have and let me see what I don't have. This I have. It's this. This nobody can touch. It's h, the little bit. Well, this is the thing that I don't have. Once I have this, I will put them together and I'll continue with note number 1 and then note number 2. We don't know those yet. So I want to calculate this first. Remember when we look at this function, what do we see? F of blah equals blah squared minus 4 blah plus 3. But I don't need the blah, I need the f of x plus h. So can anyone dictate the preliminary stage? Don't calculate anything. Just tell me what to write first in order to determine f of x plus h for this function. How would you start? Can anyone dictate? No calculations yet. Just tell me what to write for the given function evaluating f of x plus h. Can anyone tell us? Imani, are you here? Bailey, you want to try? Okay, they're not with us here. Anyone else? Bree, would you like to try?
Are we just substituting x plus h in for the x?
Exactly. That's our first step. Yep. Yep.
So would it be x plus h squared
Excellent.
minus 4 x plus h
Parentheses.
plus 3?
Yes, indeed. We've done this before. Thank you so much, Emily. Good. Now, can anyone square this for us? Can anyone square x plus h for us, please? So, Bree, are you with us? Bailey, are you with us?
I'm with you.
Okay. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Okay. Anyone else would like to try? Ayana, would you like to try?
Would it be x squared plus hx plus hx plus h squared?
You mean plus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term squared?
Yeah.
Perfect. Minus 4x minus 4h and plus 3. Excellent. So now we have all pieces. This will be replaced by what you see here. This will be replaced by this function. And h is h. So let's start. So therefore, the difference quotient is, watch me run out of room, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h plus 3. I reach the negative symbol that needs to be distributed to these three terms. Can anyone tell us what to write when we distribute the negative sign to these three terms? Can anyone distribute? The negative sign to these three terms, and I will write the answer.
Negative x squared.
Excellent.
Plus 4x subtract 3.
Plus 4x and minus 3. Excellent. Divided by h. Before we continue, note number 1. Every time we determine the difference quotient, all terms without h in the numerator have to simplify for any function. So all terms. If some terms without h simplify, it's even better. But all terms without h must simplify. If they don't simplify, I'm in trouble. So I did something wrong. Okay, so x squared, does it simplify with a negative x squared? Yes, it does. Negative 4x with 4x, yes, it does. And positive 3 with negative 3. All terms that did not have h disappeared. Okay, so now jump over this. The remaining terms, 1, 2, 3, they all have h in common. So we will pull out an h. So can anyone tell us what to write in parentheses? All the remaining terms have h in common. What is left in parentheses? So I factored out h. What is left?
2xh.
We factor out the h.
2x plus 8 minus 4.
Very good. So here's note number 2. H in the denominator has to simplify, has to go away. H from the denominator must simplify, must go away. And it does. The final simplified form. Notice that I did not say that the final form would not have h. No, I'm only saying that this h in the denominator will go away. So this is 2x plus h and minus 4. And this is the simplified form. It's an expression. It's not a number. When we talk about the difference quotient, it may be a number, but most of the time it's not. Okay? So the difference quotient for this function, fully simplified, is 2x plus h minus 4. What does it represent? In case you're wondering again, it's the slope of this line passing through 2 points that are very, very close to each other on the function. What is the application of this? Later on in calculus. That concludes what I wanted to say for tonight, and I would like to continue with practicing. But I think we should work on another example. Yes, of the difference quotient. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So let's look at one more, and then I would like us to start working on the assignments, so we can find problems that we need to work on. Minus x plus 3. Can anyone guide us through the first step? What do we have to write first? Let's say step 1. What do I have to write? That is the formula. I need to see it. Can anyone dictate the formula? Not too difficult to remember, right? F of x plus h minus the function divided by h. This we have, this we have. F of x plus h we do not. So this is step 2. In step 1, I wrote the formula for the difference quotient. In step 2, I realized that these are clear, but this is not. So I have to write f of x plus h for the given function. How do I write that for this function? Can anyone dictate?
-2.
Yes.
And then parentheses x plus h squared minus parentheses x plus h
Excellent.
plus 3.
Excellent. Can anyone square this for us? Do not distribute before you square, please. By the order of operations, we have to square first.
X squared plus h squared.
When we square a binomial, we get a trinomial.
X squared plus 2xh plus h squared.
Very good. Then I distribute negative x, negative h plus 3. And now I distribute negative 2. Negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared minus x minus h and plus 3. Finally, we have all pieces. In step 3, I put all the pieces together. Watch me run out of room. negative 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared minus x minus h plus 3. I have this. Now I have the negative sign to be distributed to these three terms. Can anyone dictate? Negative 1 distributed to these three terms, because that's what I have. I have to continue with f of x.
Positive 2x squared plus x minus 3.
Perfect, excellent. Now, what is the first note? What has to happen no matter what? Otherwise, I'm in trouble. At this stage, what has to happen? Mandatory.
Return to the h will simplify.
Excellent. Perfect. So negative 2x squared with 2x squared. Positive x with negative x. Negative 3 with positive 3. The remaining terms must have h in common, because note number 2 requires that h in the denominator to go away. Not in the final answer, but this one from the denominator must go away. So what do we have left at the top? In parentheses. Anyone, please? What do we have?
Negative 4x minus 2h. And do we have, and then it's negative 1?
Exactly. Because remember, h times this is this, h times this is this, and h times this is this. So we cannot drop any term. Very good. So the final simplified form is this for the given function. Okay, so far tonight we accomplished 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4. I would like us to open the assignments and go through the assignments and see what we need help with. Okay, so here it is. So I'm going to open, oh, I'm signed out, finally. Okay, good. So I may not be able to, I may have to authenticate. We'll see in a moment. Let's see if it allows me to open. Okay. Yeah, so sorry, I have to authenticate the whole thing. How is it possible that I am logged out in the middle of my class? I mean, can anyone explain this to me? I'm not understanding how this is possible. I don't get it.
This is Microsoft. If you are trying to...
Okay, sorry about that.